Hi, beautiful friends. So, this is just a quick message that I want to share with you, and hello from the beach. Uh, so, I want to talk about your worth because this is something that I've been realizing recently, and also I think it's very important message in context of manifesting love, manifesting success, manifesting money, manifesting abundance, and that is your self-worth and validation. Because many times what we are doing is we are looking for validation in the manifestation process. So for example, if you are trying to manifest love and you are not seeing any results, like you going on dates and you feel like you are completely wasting your time and you are seeking that validation, you think that it is not working, that the law of attraction is not working for you. Or if you are building a business and you are not really making the money, or you're not able to scale your company because you are looking for validation and you think that immediate validation is going to show you that it is working. Or if you are someone who is maybe employed and you want to start your business, but you really don't know how to do the transition, and you feel like at your work, at your present current work, nothing is shifting and you're looking for validation so you can actually start that business, right? Whatever area of your life you are working on and you are trying to manifest that new outcome or the next level, and you are seeking for validation, you are basically sabotaging the process of manifesting that outcome, that dream of yours. Because here is the thing, you cannot conditionally create that desired reality if you are basically putting the condition in the process of manifestation. What do I mean by that? Let's take an example of relationship. Let's say you trying to manifest love and you are not seeing anybody coming into your life. Just because you're not seeing it, just because you're not being validated, doesn't mean that it is not working. Actually, that is the moment when you have to detach. And that's why detachment, the law of detachment, is so important. In fact, I think it's one of the most important laws, because with detachment you can literally speed up the manifestation process. But if you are attached, you're going to sabotage it, you're going to slow everything down. And so what is important is, in the manifesting of whatever you are manifesting, stay detached, stay neutral, trust, understand that there is a higher intelligence that is within you and all around you that is helping you to manifest. It's not just you manifesting it. And rely on that, lean into that wisdom, detach from the outcome, and understand that what you want is already there, but you have to detach and at the same time trust. And you are being tested in those moments of seeking validation. And so if you are going to give up because you are not seeing the result, because you are not seeing the validation itself, guess what? You will never manifest it. But if you are stubborn in that particular moment when you are looking for the validation and it's not coming, and you still will stay in your lane, you will manifest it sooner or later, because that is how the energy works. You have to believe, and if you believe, you can create whatever that is that you want. So you are going to be tested, especially when you feel like it's not working, especially when you feel like it's never going to happen. So those are the moments when you have to pause and realize the power is within you, and you are the creator of your life, you are the creator of your reality, and you can manifest whatever the hell you want. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like to go deeper with me, I want to invite you to join my Love Codes Masterclass. The link is going to be in bio or below in the comment section. And if you have any comments, questions, you can of course post them below.